Nobody touch me here. Nobody touch me here.
Bring my ladies.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, wagwan, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for watching another video of mine. Today is a hair video. I'm going to be trying the Cream of Nature Pure Honey coloring system again. It is a semi-permanent color, and this time I'm going to be using the color Fire Red. I was interested in changing up my hair, changing up the color. The last color that I did was some light auburn looking color. So this time I wanted to try the red. Now first things first, this package comes in a box. It comes with the color and it comes with instructions. It does not come with gloves. I cannot emphasize this more, so you need to provide your own gloves, remember. So I am doing this hairstyle on freshly washed hair. I washed my hair the day before, and I am going to proceed to coloring my hair. And the instructions are very simple. All you have to do is wash your hair, apply the color, and wash it out. And also an extra step is to wash your hair with conditioner, which I did do in this video. So what you see me doing is applying the color, and in a moment I'm going to be showing you the color comparison. You can definitely see that the red really brightens up my face. I am totally in love with this color. I didn't think I would love it because I know red colors have a tendency to fade, but I really wanted to try something new. I didn't want to stick in the same coloring system that I always stick in, and I really like this color. I love how easy it is. I love how easy it is to apply. I just love how creamy it is. I love everything about this color, and I am willing to try some other colors in the future, but I will let you guys know how I plan on doing that. So a majority of this video is me showing you how I apply the color, and I must say that with that tube of hair that you saw, I had a lot of product left over, and I didn't really want to waste the product. I really wanted to use up all the products, so I did go back in a second time around, which I didn't show on camera, and I ensured that all my colored strands were covered in this red hair color. So sit back, enjoy, watch the video. If you have any questions, don't forget to just link me up in the comment section down below. And if you like videos like these, please subscribe to my channel if you are a new viewer. I do a lot of natural hair videos, braiding videos, and some Jamaican vlogs. If you are interested in videos like that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss a beat when it comes to my videos. And leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know that you were here. You can also let me know where you're coming from, and I'll come back with the final results soon. After applying the color all over my hair, I went into the shower and I rinsed it all out. And like I said before, I did go over my hair with a conditioner. I don't remember which one I used right now, but when you see the color, it doesn't look as bright as I thought it would look. And I'm thinking it's because my hair is wet. I think when my hair gets dry, it's gonna show up the color very much more. So I was just checking to see if the color was done to all of the strands of my hair. And now I'm going to proceed into throwing it into a puff. So this was actually a couple of days after the color. I really wanted the color to settle in so that I could really show you guys what the color is looking like on a daily basis. And I went into my room because I wanted to use natural sunlight for you guys to see the color. And as you can see, the color is really rich. It is very vibrant. It really gives my face a different look, and I really love that. Now I am just throwing my hair into a puff. I was just showing you guys how my hair would look in a puff. I feel like this would be a good representation for you guys to see the color a little bit more. So I am just throwing it into a puff and shaping my puff so that you guys can see the color as well as how I am seeing it in person. Just applying a little bit of that African Pride braid lock and twist gel to my edges, and I went outside, and this is what the color looks like. It is so bright. When I wore it to work, everybody was so shocked. It is so bright. Nobody expected this color from me. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, remember to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know if you have tried any of these semi-permanent colors in this line, and let me know if you like it. And as always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.